Hello folks, welcome back to this other episode. It's Mentor speaking. So today we are going to look at something really interesting that abantu abangi abasinga kino ekintu kyasinze obabuzaabuza. So let me try sharing the main screen here. Okay, so just a second. Oh, voila. So here we see today twazukuse kumacha Ugandan time. I remember sharing this same setup on USD JPY in the Telegram group, okay, and I labeled this as an institutional flag, as a retail flag pattern forming. This was Friday, and wobo tono leader one here around here, price shot higher, okay, to these institutional candles, the so-called special candles on 5 minutes. Now, how do you get such a move down? Okay, episode 45 is all about how do you get such a move. We actually we see, okay, all euro pairs misbehaved today. Okay, let me look for euro yen, euro JPY. Let me see if it had that. Okay, we all see that. Oh, this is a daily. Let's go to a 5 minutes chart. So when you look at all euro pairs, zona zabadene this strong move down, okay, something like 100 pips or more. How do you get such a move, or what exactly happens? Now, kyenjagala okusomesa olwaleero kiri ekintu kimu, and that is the economic calendar. Okay, how do you trade the news? Amawulire oga trading otya together, because this is news, okay, this is the news that affects the market like this. So njagala we first go through, okay, the economic calendar. Now let me share this other screen with you again. Let me see, second screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to come to google.com or tekemo investing.com, okay, investing.com. Then after investing.com, let me close these other tabs because they are not important at the moment. So investing.com, okay, this is how the website looks like. Kiki kye tugenda okukola wano tujja noonya kye tuyita economic calendar. We want to see the news, okay, which currency pair has the news. News ekuyamba etya gwe nga trader. Gano amawulire gakuyamba not to lose money. Ate wabeerawo candles ebiwanvu, ate eddamu nekuyamba how to predict those strong moves in the market. I personally do trade the news ebiseera ebisinga. So let's have a look. Nakugamba, we are only trading the New York session. So here you will see current time. You'll come here to GMT. Okay, you'll click there on your time, then you scroll down. What are we looking for? We are looking for something like we are looking for New York here. Ne bwoba tosobola laba New York, you will just come to East time, okay, this Indiana East, over you come to Eastern time, US and Canada. You click there, okay. So what time is this pair having? Now we are going to look for 3 stars, okay. Nera bolaba, when I placed my cursor there, bangamba nti high volatility expected. What is the volatility? Volatility is that strong move jewalabye in the market, okay, on the euro pairs zokka, okay. We are only going to focus on the euro pairs. This is how you trade the news, okay. You only focus on the euro pairs. Which other pair has 3 stars today? It's only the euro, okay. So kiki kyonoonya wano. Let's go back to the other monitor nkulage ina trading view. So here you see how this is euro yen or euro JPY. It had this strong move down. Okay, euro JPY yabadde neno strong move down here. When you come to euro GBP, we are waiting for this strong move as well to occur, just like olaba waneno nga bwentaddewo. This is the accumulation, then we want to see the manipulation, then the distribution. Still we are waiting for that strong move down there. When you come to euro USD, wano twaforming this flag pattern and we got 103 pips, I think, for those who traded this. But I gave you this same setup Telegram group. So let's go ahead and look at this. So what happened yesterday, Chidinti, over the weekend, sorry, or I'm recording this video on a Monday. So on Friday, market yali ekola flag pattern. Remember, nakugamba, these are trend continuation patterns. Okay, flag patterns, these are trend continuation patterns. And I remember sharing this same thing in that Telegram group. Let me see if I can share my screen with you, because I would really want to show you almost everything. Okay, let me hide a few stuff, then I share the screen with you, because I don't want to... Sorry guys, but I really have to do this, okay, because that's my job, huh? That is my job. Okay, so let me share the Telegram screen with you. So this is the Telegram group's screen, and over here, these are the active members. I'm looking for the day I sent that. Okay, so this is Kevin. He had his predictions on Euro USD. Yeah, Gambanti. It's going to reach here and go for the institutional level, which wasn't right because he didn't see this flag pattern forming. Okay, so this is the thing that I sent on Friday. When was this? This was I can't remember, but I remember sending this same pair. Nengamba, this is a flag pattern that will shoot high, at least with the institutional level, then it drops. Okay, why did I do this? It's because I saw a flag pattern forming. Then after the flag pattern, what do we have? Bobo jukira bulungi ku trend continuation patterns. We have this strong move down here, then a flag forms, then another strong move down. So no, yasobodo two are something like 100 pips, because wabaddewo amawulire mangi, wabaddewo amawulire on that pair. So let's go back to the chart. Let's say we are going to investing.com, the economic calendar. So what are you looking for? You are looking for high volatility in the market. You're only looking for these pairs with a strong move down. Look for, you're going to look for a 3 stars pair, okay? A pair that has 3 stars. The Twitter 3 bull news, okay? When you, if you're using a smartphone, which is these are bulls, okay? But on a PC or on a computer, ujakulaba stars, okay? But we normally call them the 3 bull news. So this means that high volatility is expected. So what do you look for exactly? Wobera ku pair ngeriko these 3 stars. Go back ngabwe nakugambye, if it is a euro. Now let me show you, for example, today, tomorrow. Okay, you click on tomorrow. Now tomorrow we have 3 bull news or 3 stars or high volatility expected ku USD pairs. So what am I going to be looking for? Tulaba at around 8 a.m. 8:30 in the morning, New York time. Nabagamba, that is the official opening, New York time. So this means that at around this time we shall have, okay, we are expecting a high volatility over a strong move in the market over those long candles. Then at 10 a.m. again, nakugambye, we are expecting these. Okay, we also have 3 bull news at that same time. Then still at 10 o'clock. Then on Aussie over on the AUD, which is the Australian dollar, we're also expecting high volatility. So tomorrow, if I am to trade, I am going to look for 2 pairs. I'm only going to look for Australian dollar, okay, this pair, Australian dollar, then a pair USD, okay, United States dollar, whichever. So the best thing will be you trading the USD, AUD, USD, okay, because zona zina higher volatility expected. So on this pair, making sure until you look for the best setup. Okay, look for institutional levels, look for institutional candles, break of market structure, equal lows and highs, old highs and lows. Okay, so that is how you trade the news. Okay, that is how you get those pips in less than no time. Okay, other than you sitting on your computer expecting the market to do what you want it to do, just come and look for 3 stars news, look at the time, okay, which is the New York time, that the New York session that we trade. Genda ku chart yo, look for institutional candles and institutional levels. So let's look at why did price reach here ne shooting a 1C. First things first, nabagamba time and price is the most important thing. So here we have these candles here. Okay, we have these candles now. To me, I will take this whole area. Okay, I will take this whole area because you see we have these green candles, sorry, a black candles, then a green candle or green. Now let's come to a 15-minute chart to love it. What do we have there? Okay, just a second. Just a second. Okay, we are not really getting what we want, but let's go back to a 15-minute chart. So for 15 minutes chart, tulaba we have 2 green candles in here. Okay, nabagamba analysis gikolere on a higher time frame, then entries ku lower time frames. Okay, do not do your analysis on a daily and you enter on a daily. Echo kiba tejjakola. So let's take this candle here 1C. I am going to mark the open and close. Okay, over I'm not going to take the wicks. So this is what happened. Today price opened here, okay? Because I was watching this price do its magic. Nalabye price opened here, it traded lower, it came, okay? Traded in this zone. Then after Netulaba, it traded below. This was my confirmation. I didn't take this trade. I won't deceive you because I'm only trading between midnight New York time and 11 o'clock in the morning New York time. So whichever opportunity I get, I won't bother myself. I won't bother entering the trade because it is against my plans. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plans. So in trading between midnight New York time ne 11 o'clock in the morning New York time. So this is what happened here. We have this green candle, this broke structure. We have these lower lows here, taken liquidity out, then indecision. Okay, accumulating orders. This candle here, okay, this black candle that traded at 2000 hours over at 8 p.m. New York time came low, then it failed to take out these, okay, these highs, naked 1C. Now this is the candle that you would have taken at around at exactly 8:40, okay, New York time. Or if you didn't take this candle, what do? You take this, okay, instead, this black candle here. Why? We broke structure. Make sure that we first break structure, then we come back in that zone to trade. Okay, so one already told you once we are trading below. We are trading below this institutional candle here. Okay, we are trading below this institutional candle, and already tuba this is a flag pattern. Okay, so this is what would encourage me to trade. Tuliko flag pattern, then to gain more institutional candle. So I'll be looking for opportunities to sell. Ngatumaze oku breaking a structure. Okay, you see these equal lows here. Let me try marking them. You see those equal lows there. What did we say? We break the equal lows. I want to see myself having, you know, an imbalanced zone. So this imbalanced zone, you sell here and you're good to go. So let's look at the Euro JPY as well. Why did price drop? So tunonya. Now this is not a flag pattern that you will take, okay? Though it is a trend continuation pattern kind of, but it's not a flag. It is just, you know, some indecisive movements in the market. So let's see why price did this. And like you see here, I had already marked these areas, 101 and 101C. This is before I went to bed. I was trying to see price trade above these highs, then immediately, okay, trade above these highs, which it did here, but it delayed. And just like I've told you, I don't trade anything before midnight New York time. So here we see it's a lot that I wouldn't actually want to waste your time breaking down all these things, but most of these things already money. I'm on a 15-minute chart. So one or two lava, we had these highs here. Let me try to see if we traded above those highs. No, we didn't. This is something that what had already happened here. So let's see here. We have let me see. So we took liquidity once one, but since we don't have any imbalance, okay, since we didn't leave any imbalanced zones, okay, after taking liquidity in 1C, so I'm looking at price at least trade higher above these highs, okay, above these highs, okay, take liquidity down, then above these highs, then we shoot lower. Okay, so we see what happened, still at 2100 hours New York time. Okay, that is the euro yen. This is exactly what happened. Okay, so nebyo ebitono, this is how we trade the news. I repeat, let me share my screen with you again. Come to the economic calendar. Okay, jangu waneno ku economic calendar. Look for 3 bull news or the 3 stars news. Bw'omaze the 3 stars news, you're good to go. Eyes on these pairs. Zino pairs in 3 stars. Okay, like you see this. This is the only thing I will advise you to trade. Okay, why? Because we are trading smart money concepts. We are trading institutional concepts, institutional levels, institutional candles, all those concepts. Okay, we are not doing retail concepts. Okay, support and resistance, trend lines, indicators. We are not doing that. What we are doing, we are trading like these guys are doing. So the secret is come to investing.com or also copying this same okay, website here. I will put it in the description below this video. In the description once, just like it is, you just click on it and you visit the website, because mbasagala you know, mentor, I'm not seeing the economic calendar. No, the thing is investing.com/economic calendar, then /. Okay, it is investing.com/economic/calendar, then / over dash here. Okay, ako kenta daw. Then nebye bitono as usual. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Okay, look for these things here. Trade these things on demo first. First trade these things on demo. Do not waste your money trading these things. Okay, do not waste your money trading these things, otherwise you will be crushed. Okay, sagalo fidwe sente zonti oyo mwami yangamba. No, that's why we have a disclaimer on each video here. Even nemo description link below, mulimo disclaimer. Do not risk, do not invest the money you cannot afford to lose. If you can afford to lose $1,000, well and good, invest it, which I don't advise. Okay, I don't really advise you to invest that much money. So nebye bitono, let me upload this video on our different social media platforms, then tuberezemu with signal provisions mu Telegram group. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, nera description. Okay, waliwo link in the description below. You can click on it and we are good to go. So nebye bitono, katulabe video edako maaso.